Notice a VPS file in your Avast Antivirus folder, and curious what it contains? These hold the virus definitions that keep your system protected. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Avast virus program signature files do and why you shouldn't modify them. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective VPS file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. Users find VPS files in the installation directory of Avast Antivirus and are curious about their purpose. These files contain the latest virus definitions, and user searches are often driven by a need to understand if the file is important, why it's large, or how to perform a manual update. The VPS format is a proprietary, likely compressed and encrypted binary container. It is designed to securely package and deliver virus definitions from Avast servers to the client software. This robust, non-human-readable structure ensures the integrity and security of the update, preventing tampering with critical threat data. For managing VPS files, the best dedicated software is Avast Antivirus, from Avast Software, SRO. Windows needs confirmation from specialized software for safe data access. Windows warns users against modifying system files due to potential OS instability. To guarantee file access, right-click your VPS file and select Open With. If Avast Antivirus is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to force the file open with a compatible application. If your VPS file will not open yet, do not panic. The problem is usually not complex. It is almost certainly one of 3 easily fixable errors. I've created a simple list showing the 3 main culprits and their verification steps. First, updating through Avast. Open Avast, Antivirus, and navigate to Menu, then Settings, then General, then Update. Click Update. Now, next to Virus Definitions to download the latest VPS file. Avast automatically replaces the existing signature database with current threat data, ensuring optimal protection against newly discovered malware variants. Next, verifying file integrity. Avast validates VPS files using digital signatures during loading. If a VPS file becomes corrupted, Avast displays an error and downloads a fresh copy automatically. Avoid manual modification, deletion, or replacement of VPS files, as this disables protection and triggers Avast's self-defense mechanisms, blocking the changes. Finally, reinstalling Avast. If VPS file corruption persists, uninstall Avast through Windows Settings, then Apps. Download a fresh installer from avast.com and reinstall the antivirus. The new installation includes current VPS signatures and configures the update mechanism for ongoing automatic signature delivery as new threats emerge in the wild. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.